effects, that's always been challenging for filmmakers because most movies are made in warm, hot, sunny Southern California, where you don't get too many changes in the weather. It's usually the same old boring sunshine day in and day out. So we're showing you how easily Hollywood can make a classic like Gene Kelly's Singing in the Rain, even on a beautiful number 3. How you doing back there? We're not just going to show you rain. Take a look to the left. You all are about to get soaking wet.
Oh my gosh.